Hi, my name is Anthony, and I just wanted to give you a quick overview and demonstration of my liri Node app. In my liri Node app, there are 4 commands that it takes in to the command line to run certain functions. So the first command is concert this, which pulls in concert data for an artist that you enter in. So first we'll type into the command line node liri.js and then concert this, and then we'll enter the artist. I'll do Mariah Carey, and it returns results for the venue, location, and date associated with the Mariah Carey. The next command is Spotify this song. We'll do node Carey Spotify this song, and then we'll enter our song. We'll do happy, and this one returns results. It shows you artists associated with the song happy, and it queries for songs with the keyword happy in it, and it pulls the album and link associated with it as well. The next command is movie this node liri movie this, and then we'll enter it in movie keyword. I'll do matrix, and here it pulls the data associated with the movie matrix from OMDB. And the next command is do what it says. And this one just pulls from the random.txt file that I'll show you in a minute. And basically in the random.txt file, we'll take a look at it. It says Spotify this song, I want it that way. So this is the command that it's taking in, and this is the query that it's entering. So it's just taking the string, breaking it up, and then entering it into the function to run. So that's the demonstration of the liri Node app. I'm going to give you a quick overview of how the app is organized. In the liri Node app, we have the modules that we downloaded, the .env file, which is just a hidden file that stores our Spotify credentials, API keys. Git ignore is what tells Git to ignore when you're pushing your files. The keys here is referenced in the liri.js. Log text is just a log file that we created, and here I'm logging. Every time we run a query, it just logs, keeps a log of what you're entering. Package.json is our package file, and these are our dependencies based off of the npm modules that we downloaded. Random text is what we looked at earlier, and README is just the README from GitHub. Taking a deeper look into our main app, liri.js, these are our modules that we downloaded, and we're requiring them at the top. And basically, this app works from the switch command. Based off of whatever command you enter, it just runs this function. So for concert this, it runs concert this function, and so forth. And if you say, for example, don't enter a command, node liri, and not enter a command, it will give you an error saying, please enter one of the commands to kind of guide you. And these are the functions. They're just functions pulling in the query that you entered. The query URL is just pulling the argument that you typed into command line and slicing it. And that's it. This is a look at the other parts of the functions. They're pretty similar to each other, just tweaked in little ways to correspond to the API that we're working with. And this bottom part is what appends the data to the text log that we created.